Hey, my dear brothers and sisters and brothers, Ditch family, hi. Ditch mother here, and well, thank you so much. I've got my 1,000 subscribers, and Kitty Purry, she's the one that was my 1,000th. Kitty, if you want your free online lesson, contact me on didgemama@gmail.com, and let's get into playing Didgeridoo better. So today I have two things, and first of all, please keep liking and subscribing, please, and sharing, of course. Today I want to talk to you about how to practice Didgeridoo, and this is how I did it. So maybe it's helpful, maybe it's not, but for me, if I practice Didgeridoo, it's about, I don't know, 10 minutes, half an hour, where I'm super focused, probably about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, super focused on what I want to grasp, and I'm very observant of what I'm doing. For instance, what is my tongue doing? What are my lips doing? Am I still doing what I want to do? Is it working? So for about 10 minutes, I'm like super focused, making sure I do it perfect. And then if I speed up, I go back to a very slow pace, making sure I do it perfectly. And then I just mess around and have fun, and I let everything go that I was practicing. And I found out that sometimes I'm too focused on trying to grab something, but everyday practicing makes it better, at least. And sometimes letting it go, it will come into my play. So this is what I want you to maybe experience, but also that 10 minutes being really observant, making sure you are doing it perfectly, is very helpful and meaningful. So this is, yeah, get into it, and really be aware, tongue, cheeks, jaw, sound, listen, and breathing muscles, see if they're working perfectly. So yes, and then have fun afterwards. Just let everything go and just see what the didgeridoo will bring you. Okay, so most of my didges have new homes, so I'm super happy that some of my didges are with beautiful people in Norway. Some are with my beautiful sister in Czech Republic, and one is being sent out to the States. But I do have this huge G that Luke was very interested in, but because also sending to Canada is quite a bit of money, he said it's a bit too much. So if you're into really low instruments and you want to get this gorgeous low G, let me know. In my movie I said 500 plus, and if you're not in the Netherlands, there will be some sending cost with that also. And the other one is the three-piece one. Whoopa, oops. So the three-piece one is still available, because it's actually two didgeridoos. I said 700. So if you have that money to spare and you want a fantastic three-part instrument that is an A and an A sharp, please contact me. Let me know. And yes, thank you, and have a lovely summer if you're in the north part of the world, and if you're in the south part, have a lovely winter. So sending love and light, and ciao, my beautifuls.